Hi, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to make green chawli or cowpea in English sabzi or bhaji, which is a dry curry. This can be served with chapati or rice. Cooking time for this recipe is 20 to 25 minutes. Let's check the ingredients.
$500 grams green chawli chopped,
2 onion chopped and 7 to 8 curry leaves, 4 to 6 garlic cloves sliced, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 3 tablespoon coconut oil or vegetable oil, salt as per taste, half teaspoon sugar optional, 1/4 cup water. Preparation. Place Kadai on stove with medium flame. Add oil. When oil heats up, add curry leaves and half quantity of onions. Stir. After some time, add half teaspoon of salt and stir. Stir. When onion turn light brown, add turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder. Stir for 1 minute. Add chopped green chawli and mix well. Add remaining onion, garlic and stir. Add salt as per taste. Mix all together. Cover with lid and cook on slow flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover and stir. Add 1/4 cup water and stir. Check, adjust salt if required and stir to mix well. Cover with lid and cook on slow flame for 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes, remove lid. Add half teaspoon sugar, this is optional, and stir well. Turn off flame and keep 2 minutes with lid closed. Green Chawli Sabzi is ready to serve. Transfer to a serving bowl. Thanks for watching this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.